Hello everyone, please join me. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. And in this video you will see how to crochet cute 6-petal flower. You can choose one color of yarn or variegated yarn. Let's look at the right one. So my petal consists of single crochet on the chain and slip stitches made of into the chain space. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin from the foundation ring. Make chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain round by making slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. Make 12 single crochet into the ring. For this, make a chain and make 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All done. I skip the chain stitch. Insert the hook into the first single crochet, make a slip stitch. My first round is ready. Let's crochet round 2. Let's crochet round 2. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the first single crochet. Make single crochet. Then chain of 3 for the chain space. 1. Make 2 single crochet. 1 and 2 in a row. Then chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. And 2 single crochet in a row. 1 and 2. Chain of 3 and 2 single crochet in a row. 1, 2. In total it should be 6 of them. I'm about to complete this round. I chained the last one. Insert the hook into the last stitch. Make single crochet. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Make a slip stitch. My round is ready. I remind you, my round consists of 6 chain spaces. Let's crochet round 3. It is going to be the last round of the flower. For this, make a chain. Insert the hook into the chain space. Make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Then chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Then chain more. Then make single crochet on the chain 15 times. I skip the first chain stitch, insert the hook into the second one, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through first loop, like this. Then I'm going to work around the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. I have done all 15 stitches. Continue. Then yarn over, pull through, make a chain and pull it. Work into the same chain space. Make 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. The half of the petal is ready. I still need to continue. Continue. Then chain of 9 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 chains. Turn the work. There is the first single crochet, and this is the second one. Work into the second stitch, make a slip stitch, make a chain and turn the work. Make slip stitch with chain 15 times into the chain space. I will count only slip stitches. 1 chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7 and chain, 8 and chain, 9 and chain, 10 and chain, 11 and chain, 12 and chain, 13 and chain, 14 and chain, and 15. Then make a chain, insert the hook into 2 loops, insert the hook into 2 loops, and make a slip stitch. Insert the hook into the same chain space, make single crochet. So my cute amazing petal is completely ready. Work with 3 single crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3. I started the next petal. Let's stop and look what I have done. So it is very beautiful and simple at the same time. It's like double petal. In total it should be 6 such petals. I will start the second one and you should continue working by yourself. After 3 single crochet, I am making chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Then chain more, work with the second chain stitch away from the hook, make single crochet on the chain, 1 In total it should be 15 of them. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Then yarn over the hook, pull through all loops on the hook, then make a chain, pull it, insert the hook into the same chain space, make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Then chain of 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn the work. This is the back side of the project. I skip 1, insert the hook into the second stitch, make a slip stitch, then make a chain, work into the chain space, make slip stitch with chain 15 times. One, and you should continue working by yourself. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. In total it should be such 6 petals. Then I will show you how to complete my flower. Let's complete this flower with me. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. To secure the yarn, we're making a chain. As you can see, I already cut off my yarn. And let's look at the back side. I will remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the project. So my cute flowers are ready. Both of them consist of 6 petals. This is my own pattern that I created recently for you. For work I used 100% mercerized cotton yarn, and I took one color of yarn. In your case it could be variegated yarn or leftovers. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my patterns and elements or projects. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. This flower you can use like a separate motif, or it could be part of big projects. Bye!